In this video, I'm going to bind dataset from SQL Server. This is also used in real-time example. For this, first I need to create a database in SQL Server. Here, I have already created it. Database name is company DB and table name is employees. This, I'll create the project. First, go to the File tab, then New and Project. Here, select Windows, Format, then give project name as RDLC Report Demo and create. This will take some time. Now my project is created. Now I'll install package. For that, go to Tools, NuGet Package Manager. And browse for reporting services. Then install it in project. Next, we will add report in project. For that, go on add the new item and report. Give report name as employee report. My report page is open. Now add dataset. First, we will change the dataset name. Then data source, go on new and select DB as I am connecting it to SQL Server. Here, give the server name from SQL Server and check Trust Server Certificate and give database name as company DB. Then test connection. The test connection has succeeded and click on OK. This will take some time. Then choose database as tables only and then finish. Now my data is bind and it's showing on report data. Next thing is to design the report. First, add page header for the company name, then text box for company title, like this. Add other text boxes. Here I'm adding dynamic date text box. Now I'll add table and design it. For that, for that, insert extra column as per requirement. Then add other text box for total salary. And give value in text box from expression. Next thing is to insert page footer to display page number. Here I'll write dynamic value in expression box. In date also, we have used dynamic value. Now add report viewer in form from toolbox. And choose the source and resize it according to the form. Then open form view code. Here code will be used to display the report. Now load data method is used to load data from SQL Server. Here we define the connection string to connect our application with SQL Server. Then I'll create SQL connection using SQL connection class. Using block ensures the connection is automatically closed after use. SQL data adapter is used to execute SQL query and fetch data. Here we specify the RDLC report file that we designed earlier. Then next thing is to create report data source object to bind our data table with RDLC report. Then clear method is used to clear previous data source to avoid duplication or errors. Now we will add new data set to the report. Finally, we refresh the report so that updated data is displayed. Then I'll run the project. Now my project is displaying the report and the data is fetched from the SQL Server. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.